In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan an IMO QR code. If someone has shared an IMO QR code with you and you're not sure what to do next, don't worry. The process is simple, quick, and built right into the app. Scanning a QR code in IMO can help you add a contact, join a group, or open shared content without typing anything manually, which makes things much faster and more convenient. To get started, open the IMO app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Once the app is open, look at the bottom or main navigation area and tap Me, which takes you to your profile section. This is where you'll find your personal account options and settings. After that, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the QR code icon and tap it. This will open the QR code area inside IMO, where you can either show your own code or scan someone else's. Since the goal here is to scan a code, choose the option that says Scan QR Code. At this point, your phone's camera will open. If this is your first time using the feature, the app may ask for permission to access your camera. If that happens, allow access so IMO can scan the code properly. Then, hold your phone steady and point the camera at the Imo QR code you want to scan. Try to make sure the code is clearly visible on your screen, well lit, and centered in the camera frame. You usually don't need to tap anything else. Once the camera detects the QR code, Imo will scan it automatically. This normally takes just a moment, so keep your phone still until the app finishes reading the code. If it doesn't scan right away, move your phone slightly closer or farther back and make sure the image isn't blurry. After the scan is complete, Imo will show you a prompt based on what the QR code is linked to. For example, you may see an option to add a contact, join a group, or open shared content. Simply follow the on-screen prompt to continue and complete the action. And that's it. That's how to scan an IMO QR code. It's a quick feature that can save time and make connecting with others much easier inside the app.